Hello, we are going to be doing lesson 7.6 today. Let me find my pen. Okay, so yesterday we were talking a little bit about squares and rectangles, and I just wanted to refresh a couple of things really quick, just that a couple of questions that I had. So if we have a square, pretend this is a square. I know this isn't perfect, I didn't measure it, but it kind of gives us a general idea. These corners right here, if you have the two straight lines, they make this angle right here that they can form their own perfect little square. So it's called a square corner. That gives you a hint that it's a square. For example, like if I had a shape that looked like this, you're looking at it and you're like, well, it has four sides. This is the same length and this is the same length. But then you look at these corners, it's not a perfect square corner. It doesn't make that perfect degree that this guy does. But you guys will learn so much more about this in second grade, so it's okay if you're a little bit confused. And one fun fact that I don't think that I said for yesterday's lesson, all squares are actually rectangles. So a square can be a rectangle, but a rectangle isn't able to be a square. So I thought that was kind of a little fun fact. But today we're talking about triangles, and a triangle has three sides. Now, it's okay, sometimes triangles, they might not be all the same length. So you might have a triangle that looks like this. You might have a triangle that looks like this. You might have a triangle that has three perfect sides. All that matters, and you can even look, if I make one that looks like this, I can make a perfect square angle in a triangle. That's kind of fun, right? So triangles, the most important part about a triangle, they have three sides, and it doesn't matter about the lengths. We're also going to talk about circles. Circles can be lots of different shapes. So there's like that, you can make an oval, kind of like that. The most important thing about a circle is how many sides does a circle have? None. There are no sides on a circle. Oh, well, that's kind of interesting. No sides. But wait a second, is this a circle? Is it a circle? It doesn't have any sides. Oh, but look. They can't have that guy hanging off of it. That doesn't make it a circle anymore. What about this? Oh, Miss Doyle, it's almost a circle. I'm just gonna draw it in myself. It's got to be all the way closed. So today, what you're gonna be doing in your homework and your remembering pages, I think you guys should be, okay, it says very clearly which shapes are not triangles or circles. So you have to just go through each picture and look at it and go, is that a triangle? If it's a triangle, you can leave it be. It just says to X out the ones that aren't a triangle or circle. It's also gonna ask a shape that's closed with no corners. No corners. I wonder which shape that is. And then it's gonna say a closed shape. A closed shape means that, like, this is a closed shape. Everything is completely closed in the corners, like that. A circle is completely closed because it all meets in the same spot. This would be not closed. This would be not closed. Something like that. So a closed shape just means that it's sealed up tight. So a closed shape with no sides, is it a triangle or circle? What about a shape with three sides that's closed? Is it a triangle or circle or square? Which one is it? So that's today's lesson. I think you guys should be pretty good with this, but if anyone has any problems, let me know. We can do a Zoom one-on-one, and I can do a couple practice problems, work through the language a little bit more. Just let me know if you're having any problems.